You can now use AppMap Navie with Anthropic LLMs as a supported backend. In your Anthropic dashboard, create a new API key to use with Navie. Give your key a name and copy the key to your clipboard to use later. After saving your key, open your code editor. In VS Code, open Settings and search for AppMap Env. Add in the environment variables for the API key and the model you'd like to use. In JetBrains, open the settings and search for AppMap. Then click to add or edit the environment variables to configure the Anthropic backend. Refer to the Anthropic documentation for a full list of available models. After configuring the environment, reload or restart your code editor to apply the changes. Then open a new Navie chat window, and you can confirm the configuration in the top of the interface. From here, you can use Navie like normal, having it explain how code and features work in your application, or instructing the Navie AI to create detailed diagrams of application behavior, and many other development tasks. To learn more about AppMap Navie, head over to appmap.io.